to post foot. What I gonna with? Me say, be happy today, no, me no cussing, me no vex, no time. No time with the vex. Me say, what I gonna with? Kuya, I want to come there. I want to J-Boss. And I'm gonna get us with J-Boss! Kuya, you're too funny, you want me 50 that till now. You're not having problem. Come here, boy, I want to drink around for you. No, Kuya, take time ago. You're too old and so.
Hey, son, how you doing?
We are taking time ago.
I go up my try out one. I'll try out that time to go at them.
Aye. So, me, I want to go around you before you're going to come. You don't like snow. I mean, I know you are going to feel like I'm being a photo man. But we are going to drink for you.
Yeah, my way there.
See, ja, we're sorry. Cheers. You can't do so. Fire. God Almighty.
No one have bad, son, it's bad.
You can't tell them. You can't tell them.
I can't kill me.
Not kill you.
Yeah, that's a fresh high already.
You can't tell them.
God Almighty. Oh, you're not the boy.
You can't go along. Galang go tell you to go before I'll be fine for 2 man beat you.
Yeah, man.
You know why? No, we have to sit with you. That's it with you. Me I want fine for 2 man to rock it. We don't say him. We say we can't wait till me we can't rock it. You still like come here? No, you still like going on now. You call it right now. And make sure say me shot to you. So I me call right now. As we at week, maybe to make one. Let me afford the post card. We have to use your phone. No use your phone. I never put it for there. Use your damn lucky. Girl, is it a son, girl? You go like you don't know here, so a son.
Everybody call me a son.
Oh, you're so damn dark. You don't know so long time. So.
Why you say me that like midnight?
There's no there. So you try to come over here.
Where you say baby study there? She gone. So we can run from dead. I'll do it zombie.
Mind you, make nobody your contacts and missing things happen. Fam, we are. But you're not going to go tell you to go. You get in the car already here, but you're not going to go tell you to go. You're there.
No, son, more here, more here.
Galang, man. So here, what you do? When you take your time, come to your friends. Come over, nobody see you. Can't be the one way she can make out me family. Yes, girl. Maybe we get to it tough. So you make some road come before you did. And you have with me. Walk till you go fence and come. Before nobody see you. Alright? Alright.
Where you say you get the fit up? Don't come cross the fence now. Don't move back. Come.
Yeah, girl, no easy, you know, son, you know, easy.
You see what a bad boy. We say, J-Boss, we take one pill. We say, the doctor tell me, we never take a car, guess what? We say, hi. We know we take a car, because we family our thing. I mean, we can't with that, so we can go relax with self, and go to your talk what. Maybe we can go, maybe we can go to relax with self. And we want to know, say, the people that we are watching, we want to know if we make sure to subscribe to my page. Jamaican Grandpa Speaks Out. You see what I say? And YouTube page, Dan Pent. Donpent. DONPENT. That's a 2 word. You know, make sure to subscribe, because enough the most will come. And I miss it viral.